Imagine losing your dog or your cat and not knowing if you'll ever see them again. For pet owners, that fear is real. But what if a device smaller than a car key could track your pet, monitor their health, and even save you thousands in vet bills? Today, Fi has introduced something that might completely change how we care for our pets. It's called the Fi Mini, and it promises more than just GPS tracking. In a moment, I'll reveal the feature that might actually catch early signs of illness before they become emergencies. The Fi Mini is the company's smallest smart tracker yet, designed for both cats and dogs. Measuring just over 1.5 inches and weighing less than half an ounce, it's light enough for even the tiniest pets, but rugged enough to handle everyday adventures. Here's what it does. It attaches to your pet's collar or vest and works around the clock, tracking their activity and sleep. It's also IP68 waterproof, so puddles, rain, or messy backyard explorations aren't a problem. And when safety's on the line, the Fi Mini really stands out. With built-in GPS and Verizon's LTE-M network, it gives real-time location updates. So if your pet decides to go on a solo adventure across the neighborhood, you'll know exactly where to find them. Battery life? Up to 3 weeks on a single charge, so you don't need to charge every night. But here's where things get interesting. Later this year, Fi will roll out AI-powered health tracking, plus Apple Watch integration. That means the tracker won't just keep your pet safe, it could also flag unusual sleep or activity patterns, catching early signs of health issues that might otherwise go unnoticed. And considering the cost of vet care, dog insurance alone averaged nearly $750 in 2024. A tool like this could help prevent expensive emergencies. So, what's that big feature I teased earlier? It's the AI Health Insights. This means the Fi Mini won't just tell you where your pet is, it could warn you when something's wrong before you even notice it. The Fi Mini is available now from Fi's website with a $20 activation fee and a membership starting at $129 per year, which includes unlimited Verizon coverage. For owners who want visibility at night, Fi also sells the Series 3 Plus Smart Collar with built-in LEDs. Because after the day, it's not just about knowing where your pet is. It's about making sure they live healthier, longer, safer lives. If you'd like to see more pet tech reviews like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update.